what is going on. Y'all see this, man. Drum installed. Y'all see it's brand new. New brakes installed. All the springs are intact, which all these got to come off. And guess what? Look at that. Took the drum off, that fell right out. No sir, not good thing. So man, we're gonna fix this situation real quick, man, and get this thing situated and knocked out. You know what I'm saying? What happens is, yeah, this definitely ain't right. Y'all see that, man? But we're gonna fix this up the right way, get it done the right way. Y'all stay tuned, let's get it. I got the brakes removed. I got the rollers put in their correct positions. You gotta see those. Also, another thing, you wanna get your 11 millimeter to adjust your slack adjuster. To make sure you got your S-cam. This is the S-cam. You wanna make sure it is positioned correctly because the rollers slide in between here, and this is what tighten the brakes up and everything for the adjustment. And y'all also see, man, I do not lift up these heavy drums unless I have to. Otherwise, I am using the drum tool to hold the drum up. Do not hurt your back. Use the correct tool for the job. Let's get it. See how I got my rollers lined up on the S-cam? And you see how it's off here now, right? So once I tighten up the adjuster, you guys can see how it's taking it away. Now you want to tighten it. You guys gonna see the S-cam move. See it's moving? So now, of course, sometimes you gotta get a hammer and you gotta kind of tap it on to line it back up. You see that? See how the S-cam is moving it away? So that's what you gotta watch out for. You see how it's bringing it back on? So that's where it needs to sit. Now we gotta get a hammer and tap that piece on, man. You just gotta tap it so it can lock in place, and I'm gonna show you guys that. And then after that, we're gonna put our springs on. I'm talking about now, see how they lined up? And then next, all we have to do is now is to put our springs in, man. That's all we gotta do. And I can't hold the camera and show you guys at the same time. But now we're gonna lock our springs back in on both sides. And also guys, when you put these springs on, it's always a good idea to go behind yourself and tap to make sure these are locked in place. And you'll be able to see it from inside there. You see how the end of the spring where you can see it? You want to make sure they locked in, that none of this hardware comes out. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to double check yourself. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see how the S-cam is lined up now? You see that the S and the rollers are inside there? And you guys see over here that they're hooked on the ends. They're locked in place. You know what I'm saying? So now just got, like I said, hook the springs up and put our drum back on and put some air ply and adjust the brakes, and it should be good to go. And this is the proper way how to install brake shoes on a semi-trailer. Sir, y'all see what I'm saying? See how you want to make sure both of your springs are all in, and you can check the bottom. You know what I'm saying? And while you got it off, you want to double check your ABS sensor. Just slide it forward to make sure, because sometimes you know it can get pressed away and stuff like that. Just be real careful. Press it in. Okay, we pressed in. Also want to tap these, and you guys can actually hear these springs. If you know they're on the correct way, you know what sound that you're looking for, you're going to be able to hear them lock in place. They can definitely lock in place. Let me move my stuff out of the way. Hey, y'all want to know what type of tools I use to put the springs in? I got some long needle lows. Sometimes I use vice grips. And like I said, it depends on you. Between those two items right there, the long needle nose or the vice grips, you should be able to put your springs in with no problems. You know what I'm saying? So now y'all hold on one second. Let me put the drum back on. We'll take a picture of that, and we're gonna close this thing out, man. And hopefully you guys can learn how to put, or learn period how to change your shoes, brake shoes on a semi trailer. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. See it, man. Problem fixed, and also my back is not hurting because I used the tool to lift up this heavy drums. These drums are very heavy. So next I gotta put the tires on, and we're gonna adjust our slack adjuster. And y'all drop something in the comments, man. Let me know if y'all know the adjustment to adjust the brakes on the shoes on a semi trailer. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. Let me know. We closing it out, man. Make sure, like I said, question of the day. What is the adjustment to adjust the brakes on a semi trailer? And it should be the same thing on the semi truck. So if y'all know that, man, y'all drop it in the comments. Let your boy know. Let's get it.